Tier 6 infestation clear. The Dishong Tower. This should be fun. Grab some elixirs and some mega crushes. And I got these people just want to peep out the door. That's what you get for staying in the bathroom too long. Oh, fuck. I gotta hurt them all in one line. Can't have the A12 do all the work. And I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding out. Yeah, I didn't think about this. I read my keys. I didn't even think I used the Q button for my medkit. Still calling it stim pack, Jennifer. I know you said, we don't carry a stim pack. I'm calling it a stim pack. I come from the Doom generation. I still got those 2 treasure maps to take care of. Trying to figure out which one that I leveled up. What was it? Was it the Lucky Looter? No. No, it was the Magnum Enforcer. All shots with the 44 ammo penetrate enemies. Bulk craft ammo. Nice. This is a Desert Vulture. It's still a Desert Eagle, though. I don't care what it says. That's what I'm calling it. It walks like a duck, quacks like a duck. It is a duck. I don't need those. In your face. Ooh, honey. I need that. It's a white. Oh, I hate this. Oh. Where you at? Nice. Good night. Goodbye. Oh, some party girls. A little too much vodka, I think. Gotta lay off of that stuff. Turn you into zombies. Just die already. Take a couple shots point blank and it still wouldn't bring you down. I'll destroy the kitchen before I destroy you. Couple mega crushes. Some more elixirs. I should up the there we go. Make the buffs last longer. Double stack them. Wakey, wakey. I hope to get this done before the blood moon at day 49. It's going to be close. I don't know. I worry about falling. I'll have to do this all over again. How about some knuckles? Nice. Jeez, just die already, come on. It would be nice if it would tell you what floor you're actually on. Ragdoll physics for the win. Going off of space, onions. No, I'm bleeding. Bleeding out. I could take it. I'm a big boy, I could take it. Sit down, Sparky. Oh. Let's see if I can kill all of these with just knuckles. Nice. Tourist. It just doesn't tell you what floor you're on. I hate that. I wish it did. Because it does tell me how far I have to go. Yeah, I was done with the knuckles thing. Oh. That's right, cover your face. I know you're mad. You didn't get me. Need some concrete. Blood moon. Good night. Oh. Stay down. You know it's good for you. You too. Sit down. There you wanted my brains for breakfast, but you get lead instead. Tonight's special is some brass goodness dipped in gunpowder sauce. And some lead balls on the side. It's a buffet. Everybody come get a buffet. You too. You want a buffet? Ooh, that hurt. Everybody wants a buffet. I think I'm going to run out of gravy here soon. Gotta get some more gunpowder gravy. That sounds more like it. Get some pears. A shepherd's pie. It kind of looks like a giant baked potato, doesn't it? Just a pie with meat inside and gravy. Maybe these zombies just aren't coming to get my brain. They're just coming to get my food. Like a hungry groundhog, popping out of its hole to steal your carrots. Oof, don't look down. We might just be able to get this done before day 49 hits. Spray and pray. That's how I do it. Because it's the American way. We spray and pray. Toast. Did he just fall down? Oh, come on. Now it's going to be hard to kill him. Not without jumping all the way down and starting over. I ain't doing that. I'm thirsty, I know. You know Mega Crush is just liquid crack, right? It's like liquid meth with a little bit of bath salts in it, you know. Maybe that's why these people are turning into zombies. They drink too much of this stuff. I gotta watch so I don't drink too much of that stuff too. I don't want to become a zombie. Oh, an ammo cap. Son of a bitch. You dare launch your face at me. Oh, son of a... Oh, party girls. Don't do drugs. You'll end up like those party girls. That's your public service announcement. Hey! What the hell? Ooh, stew. There's 4 of them. More learning elixirs. Anything else? Oh, some sham. QZO. There's so many of them up here. This I'm not going to run out of brass anytime soon. I still got a whole bunch back at my base. At least 10,000 of them. Now what I really need is a good amount of sodium nitrate. I got plenty of coal. I just need to make a lot of gunpowder. I'm going to make some armor-piercing rounds. Specifically 5.56, because it seems like it's so weak. I have the expanded weapons mod installed, plus the SMX. Plus I got these quests that, you know, it's supposed to be like immersive quests, you know, expanded quests, I guess it's called. You get like big boss zombies. Like if you're tier 6 or tier 5, you get to face off against a demolisher zombie. Those little things that carry bombs on their chests. Instead of carrying a bomb, they carry this big giant generator on the back of their back, like a backpack. And they carry this big giant rocket launcher that does pretty significant damage to you if you're not well protected. It's pretty fun actually. They give great rewards, just about as much as these tier 6 infested clears. Did I just see something spin around, look like somebody's face? Oh well. We must be getting close. I'd like to do one time is actually literally create a map that has a city full of towers on it. Make it like a real city, not like these real small towns with one little tower on it or a hospital. I want to make it as realistic as possible. Like I'm on the movie Day of the Dead or Dawn of the Dead, and I'm in Pittsburgh and trying to find a mall to go hide from zombies. The original Dawn of the Dead, not the new one. The original took place in Monroeville, at the Monroeville Mall, just outside Pittsburgh, which you didn't know. What the hell? It's all red. Weird. Pretty much read all but that one. It takes too long to reload, so I gotta switch weapons. I'm wearing 2 bandoliers. So without those, this would even be slower to reload than it is now. It's extremely slow because it's carrying a drum magazine, which makes it 200 rounds to 400 rounds. It's great for Horde Night, especially if it's armor piercing. Those things are great. When you got the penetration thing maxed out for the skills, plus your armor piercing, and you're using this, you're going to clear out the Horde pretty easily if you get another corridor for your base. That's what I use. Maybe if there's time, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, some more learning elixirs, Mega Crush. Extend my buffs a little bit. Grandpa's learning elixir. It's probably moonshine mixed with cocaine. I'm thinking that's what it is. Of course, it wouldn't make you smart. You just pass out. And probably die. Good night. Nice. Good night. Got another way to get through there, is there? No? Maybe? Am I missing something? Where the hell do I go? It's been a while since I played this game. And I never did the Dishong Tower. Okay, so that takes me back to where I was. Okay. It's not there. Then it has to be out here somewhere. Oh. Oh! I feel so stupid. Almost to the top now. What did I start at? 132? 133? I'm trying to remember. Worry about those panels falling, and I back down and start all over. Okay, getting over there is not going to be easy. Let's see if I can jump over. Some more Mega Crush, try to jump. Well, that failed. Hit the jump button. I have it hotwired to my space bar. Where to now? Guess, do I go to that room? It's just in there. Now what? Oh. Wait a second. I've been through up here before. I still have to get up there. Can I make it? Yes. You ever get that feeling like you're walking on the edge of something in the game, and then it feels like somebody stabbed your balls with needles? Every time you get to that ledge. Yeah, I'm afraid of heights. I won't deny that. Sorry if I interrupted your meal. I'll get some of the other stuff here. I gotta get my book. More fists. Looks like I'm gonna need them because I got these knuckles. It's good experience though. You read every book and you get experience. Some munitions. Let's see what we got. Not bad. Don't need a pistol. Those are good. Alright, I guess we're going upstairs. So I grab that duct tape. That's like gold in this game. You need duct tape. Just about everything, including repair kits. I wouldn't recommend going through the Dishong Tower unless you had at least 4 repair kits, maybe 5. Oh, run! I really hate these vultures. It's like when they hit you once and then they bounce up and fly away and you're trying to hit them. And they hit you from behind and every which way. Oh my god, oh my god! These stupid things. I don't know, I might not make it. I might not make it. was close. I got one jittery zombie there. Fix my sprained arm. Where are the other two? I think these are the last two. It's past 8 o'clock. That means it's going to be... See the day 49 turning red already. I'm running out of time here. I'm about 3.4 kilometers from my base. Where are you? There you are. I hate those things. Those are the worst. You stupid vultures. Now where's the other guy? So he's not up there. He must be down there somewhere, maybe? No? Maybe he's down further. Getting close, maybe? No? No, I think he's right there. No? What the hell? Where are you at? Oh, right there. Everything's good. Alright. Now I gotta get the loot containers. From where are they? Is it this? Yep. Ooh, treasure. Gotta eat the eye candy. Because this stuff is gonna be crazy. This loot table like this. Can't wait to try this in the wasteland. This takes forever. Oh, don't you start on me. Oh my god. Now what? So I'm gonna have to smack it open. This could take a while. Burning daylight here. Any books? Cripple him. Didn't want to do that. That was my fault. Who texted me? I can't answer you right now. You can Facebook message, but I can't send regular text messages for now. I wasn't sure if I was going to live through that or not. Just to see how tall that thing is compared to me. Alright, time to get back. Gotta tell Jennifer I did it. Hey Jen, I cleared it out. They're all gone. They're all dead. And I'm out of gas. Son of a bitch. I almost died too. I repair my gyro. Some gas. Let's try this again. Very slowly backing up. Time ticking away. It's almost noontime. Blood Moon starts early. We gotta get there before it starts. I even got the supercharger mod on this too. There we go. Leaving Pittsburgh. Yeah, I kind of tried to recreate this area, the Pittsburgh region, as part of this map here. Going through the White Oak Forest, I'm guessing. That's Greensburg. So let's try. I gotta go right in the middle. We're flying home. Still see the Dishong Tower in the distance. You'll see my base here soon. That's what it looks like. See the narrow corridor there? The suicide corridor, as they call it. And you got the blades in the middle, the stairs. It's perfect. And there's Dr. Jen's place. And I'll get the hang of landing this thing. This thing does not handle like a Cadillac. Doesn't handle like my Audi either. Of course, my Audi doesn't handle like a Cadillac. I just bought that last year. Can't believe it's been almost a year already since I bought that car.
You don't look so good. You might want to get some antibiotics for that.
I never
Good
look
job.
good. I look
I knew you
terrible.
could do it.
I always look terrible. I need a drone. And then I'll get the impact driver for the extra Dukes. What do we got? What's
You look like you could handle yourself.
some
Want to earn some
demolisher
coin?
zombies? The rumors are real and monstrosity has been found. Explosion sounds everywhere. Destruction, death, bounties are at the highest price. Even though other warriors are too afraid to take the risk. What do you think? You're crazy enough to accept the mission?
If you
He's
finish
just
2
by
more jobs this
wildfire
week,
camping.
I will
Sure.
give you Employee of the Month.
Alright, trying to sell my stuff. Think about keeping the darts. Especially for Horde Night. Because it's coming up soon. At least I made it back in time, that's the thing. Could use more gas. I'm not getting it right now. I need more ammo, that's for sure. As much as I can get. Them SMG robotic turrets eat up a lot of ammo. That's Saga 12. Yeah. More fence posts.
Now that was a good deal.
Nothing really else I want.
Trust me. I'm a doctor.
I get some more learning elixirs and mega crushes. No eye candy, so that's sad.